Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back again. Today we are going to learn very important verb. That is a verb to come. Verb to come. Verb to come in Dinka it means ben, bar, bo, baka. Baka for plural. That is verb to come. Let us begin. Come. Come mean ben. Come here. Come here mean barten. Barten. Bar mean come. Year mean 10. Bar 10. I come. I come in Dinka mean and chiban. And chiban. And chiban. And chiban mean I come. I come to school. In Dinka mean and chiban panabun. And chiban panabun. Panabun mean school. And chiban mean I come. And chiban panabun I come to school. I come to hospital mean and chiban panakim and chiban panakim. I come today and bo yakola and bo yakola. I come today. I came yesterday and bo warakol and bo warakol. Warakol mean yesterday. Yakola mean today. I come in peace mean and chiban kedor and chiban kedor. Door mean peace. I come with blessings. I come with blessings. And chiban ke atie. And chiban ke atie. Atie mean blessings. Blessing atie. And chiban ke atie mean I come with blessing. God will come to me. God will come to me. In Dinka mean Nyalish abu ben ten yen. Nyalish abu ben ten yen mean God will come to me. Nyalish abu ben ten yen. God mean Nyalish. Nyalish God. Come with me. Come with me mean bar kek yan. Bar kek yan. Come with me. Bar kek yan. Yan mean me. Majak has come. Majak has come mean Majak achiban. Majak achiban. You can say James has come. James achiban. You just replace the one Majak, put your name there. James achiban, William achiban, Jacob achiban, etc. Deng is coming. Deng is coming mean Deng abo. Deng abo. Deng is the name of a person, a male name. Deng abo. Deng is coming. Abo. James will come. James will come mean James abuban. James abuban. This is how we write James. James James. Ayuen and Arik are coming. Ayuen and Arik are coming. In Dinka, Ayuen ku Arik abo. Ayuen ku Arik abo. Ayuen ku Arik abo. Ayuen is the name of a lady. And Arik is the name of a lady in Dinka language. These are Dinka names for ladies. I come to town. I come to town mean and Chiban gave and Chiban gave mean town. Gave mean town or market. Gave ga eu gave town or market. I come to Nyomlel. I come to Nyamlel mean and Chiban Nyamlel. And Chiban Nyomlel. I come to Nyomlel. Nyomlel is one of the county in Awul Northern Barkazal State. I come to Canada. I come to Canada mean and Chiban Canada. And Chiban Canada. I come to you. I come to you in Dinka mean and Chiban ten yin. And Chiban ten yin. And Chiban ten yin. And Chiban ten yin. I come to you. I come to him. I come to him in Dinka and Chiban ten yin. And Chiban ten yin. I come to them. I come to them in Dinka mean and Chiban tene cake and Chiban tene cake and Chiban tene cake. Tene cake mean them. I come to my wife. I come to my wife mean and Chiban tene tiang dia and Chiban tene tiang dia and Chiban tene tiang dia. I come to my wife and Chiban tene tiang dia. I come to a will. I come to a will in Dinka and Chiban a will. And Chiban a will. You come quickly. You come quickly in Dinka mean Lodge Ben. Lodge Ben. Lodge Ben. Come quickly. Come immediately. Lodge Ben. Let a ding come. Let a ding come in Dinka. Chol a ding abo. Chol a ding abo. A ding. This is how you write a ding in Dinka. Chol a ding abo. Come with your friends. Come with your friends. Mean in Dinka, bar kek mapku. Bar kek mapku. Mapku mean your friends. Bar kek mapku. Come with your friends. Friends mean your friend mean mapku. I come alone. I come alone mean and bo and rot and bo and rot and rot mean alone and bo and rot. I come alone. You come here. This is you plural. You come here mean baka 10. Baka 10. 10 mean here. Baka when you are calling 2 or 3 people. Baka 10. Sorry guys. Girls come. Nyir ben. Nyir ben. When you put double a here, it means plural. One single a, it is singular. Nyir ben. Nyir mean girls ben. Boys have come. Mean duck ben. Duck ben. The same plural. Duck. Boys. Women have come. Women mean diar or dior ben. Diar or dior ben. That means women has come. Have come. May God bless you all. In Dinka, bin nyalich wek tie ibn Byran Fio Thoŋjäŋ or Tong Dinka William Majak Malik. Please follow, subscribe to our YouTube. The name of YouTube is called Dinka English TV. Please you go to YouTube, type the name Dinka English TV 5. Then you will get our channel there. Subscribe, turn on notification, and also like or share our videos to your loved ones so that we learn Dinka language together. Like and share. So this is the end of our video. Nyali kewek kuyania Ian William Ajak Malek Deng. So jal ka jal ben woy ko bila konya pay in learning how to say come here in Dinka language. This is a verb to come. Okay guys, if you find this one useful, please also write in the comment section what type of verbs you want me to talk about, because this coming season I will be talking with the verbs that we have learned one by one. The other time we learned some verbs, today we learn verb to come, next time we are going to learn other verbs. So I will be giving you verbs so that you know these are very important verbs. so that you know Dinka very well. When you learn verbs, it will be very easy for you to talk in Dinka language, because I only talk using one verb. Like this lesson is for one verb to come in Dinka, verb ben. So this is the end, and we meet next time. Every Friday, this lesson will be uploaded. Long lesson will be uploaded. So tune in every Friday. So check on us. If we miss, then Saturday we will bring the lesson. So, but I hope every Friday I will be bringing videos here. Nyali kawek kuyania. William Manjak. Bye.